In that building behind me are a bunch of new recruits. It was 5 minutes ago that I was there myself, and this is their first meeting in person. I know how they feel. And let's go and have a look around some of the kit and see what some of them have got to say.
Tonight we've got one of our second induction nights for new recruits, where they can come and meet the team, find out about the team, look at the equipment, ask questions, and it's an important first step in their operational journey.
And how long does the training take?
Between 4 to 6 months, depending on attendance and depending on if there's any revisiting, or if people are having holidays and we need to set up replacement sessions for them. But yeah, usually 4 to 6 months.
So what I understand is it's a really good turnout tonight, isn't it?
Yeah, we're in the high 30s and we had 9 on Tuesday evening at Hereford. So,
and last year I think there was about 20 in total, 30 in total?
Yes, probably high 30s again.
Yeah.
But we ended up with 25 operational members out for that cohort. We do tend to lose around 40%.
And what's the average intake been before that, in years before that? Has it been good? Or?
We've been as low as 7. We've had some 13, some 10s, but the last few years it's been in the mid to early 20s, which has been great for the team.
Proper drone, TVC. This is our underwater ROV, so it's a remotely operated vehicle, that stands for. So it's basically just a drone, but it goes underwater. This is quite clever. It has these sort of thruster arrangements that allows it to hold a station in the water, and we can adjust it to different positions. We can point it up and down, we can move side to side. It's absolutely fantastic. And we basically have a couple of really high-powered lights in the front and a 4K camera. That camera then feeds back to the controller, which is just like any sort of controller you'll see on 12 phones.
Training, you'll do your UAV awareness. That essentially just lets you know that we operate the drone and ticks a box to say that you become involved. We then also have the observer training, which all of you will go through anyway. That allows you to come out with a pilot and basically support us. You'll do everything from setting the drone up, getting it ready to go, get the batteries out, the ICU, put them into the case, get the red bag ready with the bits and pieces in there.
TWs, and then round the back and round the side, which we'll go back and send some of the equipment that we carry as well. So,
I'm with Will, and Will, you joined with me actually in my cohort, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
And
A year ago.
A year ago. So a year ago, does it feel surreal doing this?
It does, yeah. It's flown by, to be honest.
It really has, yeah. I was driving through town thinking, we're going to one of these, and it was only a year ago we were doing it ourselves.
I know, right?
It's mad.
And the next batch of recruits are already in.
I know, yeah. So this, I didn't realise when I came here tonight, this is actually where you work.
Yes.
What do you do?
So I am the training centre manager for SAR. So we are a network service provider essentially within telecoms that deals with all mobile phone signal, that sort of stuff. But we also have a training centre. So this is SAR Academy, which deals a lot in your work at height, your rescue, first aid, and health and safety training.
It's been it was a bit of a journey for us when we were learning all that kind of stuff. And what you do realise doing this is there's people from all walks of life. And I mean, I'm walking around here and I'm seeing all the kit that you've got here, and I'm intrigued, and I'm thinking, I just want to get back into climbing now. Haven't done it for many years, but maybe I will.
Yeah, well, there you go. We'll get on the ropes and yeah, we'll do some climbing.
That'd be good. That'd be good. All right, mate. Well, listen, I'll put a link in the description down below if anyone wants to look up the company and what you do.
Yeah, brilliant.
And cheers for chatting.
All right, thanks.
See you in a bit.
Yeah, cheers, bud.
what we'll do is we'll talk about some of the stuff inside and some of the IT that we use, and then round the back and round the side we'll talk about some of the equipment that we carry as well. So if you want to gather around this, I want you to move this step out of the way so you can get a little bit. You can see like the blue circle around here. So that's like an initial search area where we'll do like a hasty 300 search. So that's usually the 300 metres of where the person was last seen, that being that last known point. That red dot in the middle.
We also would use this vehicle potentially because we're a DEFRA registered flood response team, which can be deployed nationally, not the kayaks but the boat team, and we would take this vehicle with us. We would get rid of the kayaks out of it and we'd use it to carry our kit in. It's got things like lots of wading poles and bits and pieces of that, which can be used for searching along the bank, but also used for wading for when we go out to flood deployments. So check for things like pot manhole covers and that disappear.
So I've decided to finish this video off in the daylight. I mean, I know I do look better in the dark, but that said, it was a really, really good evening, and it was really nice talking to the new recruits. It's fantastic. Lots of them there, and they bring a whole new skill set to the team, and that's fantastic. It really is good. So I'm looking forward to working with them. And yeah, it was a really good night. So hopefully they'll all do really, really well and they'll enjoy it. Now, we do the training through the winter months, and I think that if you can put up with that, then you're good to go. So lots of training ahead, lots of fun times, and after that, then it's on call for them. So good luck to them. That's what I say. Thanks very much for watching. Please support the channel and us here at West Mercia Search and Rescue by hitting the subscribe button and the little notification icon as well. It really does mean a lot to us. And if you have done, thank you already, and we'll see you in the next one.